begin with news just coming through where the Delhi's Kakardoma court has discharged a case against Umar Khalid and Khalid Saifi. In this case relating to the Delhi riots, one of the many cases against the accused, especially Umar Khalid. Ananya Bhatnagar now joins us with more details. Ananya, which case is this?
Well, this is FIR 101 of pertaining to the Delhi riots. This is regarding, in fact, the violence that took place near the Chandbagh Pulia in the northeast district of the national capital. And now Khalid Saifi and Umar Khalid have been discharged by the court. No charges have been framed against them. But on the contrary, charges have been framed against Aam Aadmi Party councillor Tahir Hussain, his brother Shah Alam and others over the charges of rioting and arson. So, somewhere or the other, it is a very, very big, important order that had come in from, in fact, the court of Shri Pulatse Parmachari, the additional sessions judge of the Karkarduma court. And charges were also, in fact, asked to be framed against Khalid Saifi and Umar Khalid for the charges of rioting and arson. But then the court felt that their role was not in fact, explained by the police well, and there was no evidence against them in this particular FIR. However, we have to remember that charges have already been framed against, in fact, Umar Khalid in this particular regard, and all the appeals are before the court of the Delhi High Court. And now we'll have to wait and watch as to what happens in FIR 59 of 2020, which is the major case, the larger conspiracy case that is relating to, in fact, the Delhi riots. And Umar Khalid, along with Tahir Hussain, has been said to be, in fact, the main conspirators of the Delhi riots. However, in this particular case, which was regarding the violence at Chandbagh Pulia, Khalid Saifi and Umar Khalid have been discharged, and a big relief coming in for them.
Is this judgment going to be challenged now, or are the prosecutors going to let it be?
Well, it's a matter of time, and we'll get to know in a while whether this judgment would be challenged before the Delhi High Court, or some kind of a revision is filed before the additional sessions judge itself. But then we might see that no kind of a discharge order would be challenged before, in fact, the Delhi High Court, because already Umar Khalid is inside jail in the FIR 59 of 2020 and other FIRs pertaining to the Delhi riots. So it is quite possible that the Delhi police does not challenge this order. However, looking into the seriousness of this case, the Delhi police might also do it. So it's a matter of time, and we'll get to know it in a few days, that whether the Delhi police actually wants to challenge this particular order or not.
Right. Thank you for your inputs, Ananya.